Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So Hot Wheels finally started making Ferrari diecast again, and this happened last year. They had a deal with Ferrari for so many years. They produced so many different models, and then something happened. Deal broke off, and then last year people were excited because it finally they came back together to make new diecast models, and it's really hard to find these. I don't know. People just get all of them on pegs. Like if there is anything, they will just grab up. So I finally found this one. Sorry for complaining, and I thought, why not share with you? So I'm gonna open it up. It looks like a nice casting. It's part of mainline, not a premium, but still looks nice. So let's open it up and see what does it offer. So this is a Ferrari F40 Competizione. So basically a more powerful Ferrari F40, which is already a very powerful car in its time. Well, compared to today, everything is going 1000 horsepower. Back then, these were like top of the line. This one is finished in yellow, looks really good, and I also like the wheels. They also look nice rather than chrome ones. They did gray, which looks good. To the front, you've got detailed headlamp. You've got the Ferrari badge. You can see the lower splitter. Also, F40 mid-engined, so there's no engine in front. You do have the scoop, which kind of reminds me of another 40, which is GT40. That's something similar. Typical Ferrari, looks beautiful. All this Ferrari back then looked really nice. Does have single windshield wiper. Misses are on mirrors. I don't know why. Maybe it's based on older casting. I'm not sure. Apart from that, you got some good details in the front. You also got the Ferrari badge, lower grille, which are not finished but can be painted black. I do like the headlamp. It's not a typical painted one. It's a different plastic piece and has some design inside that too. Looks really good. Coming to driver's side, again you've got the Ferrari badge. You got the turn indicator, typical like aero elements which you normally see on Ferrari. You see this vent on the door, vent in the bottom, and actually if you look closely you can see this Hot Wheels has done a nice job to use the different grading on the plastic to show that there's a smaller window which opens up, because it's like performance one, so entire window doesn't go down, only the small part does. I don't know why it happens on the Ferraris. No, actually most of the sports car. Maybe there's some reason, I don't know. So in the back, if you can see, there are those what I call those typical design element which you used to see on older Ferraris. Not anymore. Like this 4 slots. Curvy, still boxy. So you know, those 90s design language. Now coming to the back, it has a huge spoiler. You can see the exhaust. You can see the diffuser. Grill, obviously, because the engine, you know, gives out heat there. Tail lamp is there, but it's not detailed. I would have loved if it were at least, you know, painted. Would have looked so much better. This is how it looks from the passenger side, almost identical. I don't really see any difference. This is how it looks from the top, and if you look from the top, you can see the engine in there, which is again nice to have. Those are radiators, right, on the top. And the interior is finished in black, and you can also see there's like slight tint on top here, you know, like most of the racing cars. It's nice. The interior looks nice. Oh, I did forget to mention the fuel filler cap on the driver's side. It's a very nice looking car. Fries were beautiful back then. Today a bit controversial. Some of them are good looking, some of them yeah. And this is how it looks from the bottom. And I agree with a lot of people who say older Hot Wheels used to have more details in the bottom. You can see here it's plain, there's no details. It's not an electric car. It used to have an engine, drive shaft, everything. But yeah, if you ignore the bottom, it's actually a nice looking casting. If you can, I would suggest just use some paint to have the tail lamps done, which will make it look even better. My only complaint is the mirror. In today's world, you should do mirror. It doesn't matter Hot Wheels, Matchbox. They do mirrors, so why not on this one? So apart from that, looks really good, looks like a nice casting, and I know it's very desirable for most of the people. So if you can find one, get one. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.